Ready, so this is my natural look. I don't use any makeup. Look. Nothing. No makeup whatsoever. So the reason why I don't like using makeup is that for me it's not really a necessity to wear makeup every day. But anywho, so I just love the way that the brushes feel on my skin. It's very smooth. It's very smooth. Okay, so today's video it is going to be the alphabet. So I will attempt to name as much of animals, you know, wildlife or just domestic animals from the alphabet. Okay, let's go. Armadillo, beaver, caterpillar, dinosaur, or dolphin. Eel. Falcon. Yeah, falcon. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Giraffe. C, E, F, G, H. Hawk. I. Iguana. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. J. Oh, what's a J? Oh. I'm trying to think of an animal that starts with J. This is just honestly just off the top of my head. J. What's an animal that starts with J? Oh. Giraffe is G. J. Come on, J. I don't know. Oh, what's an animal that starts with J? Oh, man. J. Okay, moving on. B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Koala. L, lion. M, monkey. N. What's N? I'm thinking. I'm lost at the N too. Oh my god, I'm lost at J and N. J. Oh god. Jackal. Bear. Okay. Jackal. Okay. N. What could be N? Oh, what could be N? Oh my god, I am really drawing a blank here. N. Skip for now. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, N, O. Octopus. P, possum. B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, M, N, O, B. Q, quail. B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, O, B. Q, R, rabbit. B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, O, B. Q, R, S. Shrimp. What's the next word? T, tarantula. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, O, B. Have I said P? Penguin? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, O, B. Penguin. U. What's a word that could go with U? I'm drawing a blank here too. V, a Vern, X, no, I'm lost. Y would be, wow, it's a Y. I'm thinking like wildlife, but then again, it's bizarre. I don't know what a Y could be, but Z, zebra, okay? I did most of them. I think that I just missed 3. I missed the X, I missed the N. I just couldn't find anything for N. And I believe that I did miss another alphabet, but there we go. I tried my best.